Welcome to BikeLife TV. Today is a special occasion. It's the first edition of BikeLife TV's Bike Check. We're bringing the best, the baddest, the biggest bikes in the whole of London just for you. To let you know out there that we've got talent in the UK and we're shutting it down. Today I'm here with a special friend of mine from this side of the bridge, southeast of London, the main man, Moneybags himself. Easy. What you saying, brother? Let them know who you are, man.
Moneybags, you get me, representing the south side. Shout out BikeLife TV for hollering at me first. You get me? Real recognise real, I salute that.
You know what I mean? Today it's mad, innit? Let them know what you're riding, you know, what you got under the tank, what's going on, innit?
Well, on K9000 GSXR, as you can see I've got a custom paint job going on. You get me? You won't see these stickers nowhere else. Blue and white. I've got the Marshallini wheels on there. Those who know, it'll set you back a few quid. The loudest pipe that I could find. I've got braided brake hoses on there. Custom paint job. Got Brembo disc brakes going on over here. Got heated grips on there. Flick up levers. Tinted indicators. Tinted indicators there, tinted back brake light. Quick shift gear changer down there. Mushrooms. Michelin Pilot road floors. Best tyres out there. My private plate there, can't show you that, but on this thing or die trying.
Yeah, so how long have you been riding?
Well, I've been riding about 6 years now, only in the summertime though. I can't stand the cold.
Yeah, I feel that still. Yeah, so BikeLife, what does it mean to you, innit? Like, what does BikeLife mean to you?
Well, BikeLife for me, it's just freedom. You get up there, you're on one wheel, like, you don't think about nothing. You know what I'm saying? Plus, you link up from people from different ends, and it's just, you know, it's unity.
Just love, innit?
Yeah,
it's love.
Unity, love. No dramas. If you love a bike, you love a bike. You know what I'm saying?
The Moneybags, as I can see, you got the t-shirt on, looking fly, you know, setting levels right now. So for the people out there that don't really know about Moneybags, what is it?
Well, it's just our little clothing line we started, me and two of my other boys. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to do something positive, man. You know what I'm saying? We've got hats, t-shirts, jumpers. You can get us on www.moneybags.com. Follow us on Insta @moneybags. It's got exactly like this. Oh yeah, check it out, man.
Yeah, as I can say, positive movements, innit? You know what I mean? And there we have it, innit, people? Do you know what I mean? BikeLife TV's Bike Check, first edition. You know what I mean? Got the bad Jigsaw 1000, my boy Easy from the Moneybags label. I mean, hashtag Bike Check, hashtag Moneybags. And right now, people, this is my favourite bit, innit? Listen, I'm getting goosebumps right now. Easy, I beg you, please stop the bike. Right now, people, I'm looking for you, innit? I need the biggest, the best, the baddest bikes, quads, crossers in the whole of UK to come find us, innit? If you want to contact us, either DM us straight on Instagram at BikeLife TV UK, or you can email us at BikeLife TV UK bookings@yahoo.co.uk.
UK stand up, don't miss out. BikeLife TV.
Come on, baby.
Know what it is.
Right now, people, we're done, dusted, we're out. We can't show you no more. It's time to go, innit?